Hour. Let's get moving and look at what's happening in the world of commodities. Equities are sulking today. Let's find out what's happening on the other side. Manisha is with us as usual. Manisha, good morning. Tell us the latest.
Survi, thank you for that. Well, I'm looking at the gold prices because this is yet another area or an asset class which has seen a lot of safe haven buying in the recent days. Overnight, we've seen 1.5% of gains come in for gold. This is over and above the 5% of a jump that we saw in case of gold prices in the previous week as well. So markets are holding firm on the back of expectations that you could be looking at further escalation in between Israel and Hamas. So that premium is into the prices. Expectations also that the US Fed going forward in 2024 will start easing interest rates. And that is a statement we also have seen come in from the European Central Bank has been supportive. Markets will watch out for the US Fed Powell testimony that comes in the evening today. Having said that, the projections for gold going forward for this quarter and 2024 have been on the higher side. For the Indian markets as well, we started trading at around 60,000 rupees per 10 grams. There's a bit of a profit taking on your screens right now, but we are holding around those 11-week highs. So starting with JP Morgan, and they say that this current quarter could see prices average at 1920. But they are anticipating an all-time highs in the next year. By fourth quarter of next year, they're anticipating $2,175 per ounce in case of gold prices. Similarly, bullish cues also coming in from UBS. They're looking at 1950 of an average in this quarter. And by June next year, they're anticipating prices at 1950 yet again. Saxo Bank is looking at an all-time high. It's also $2,100 an ounce is what they are projecting. And Citi, clearly the bullish among all of them, $2,200 an ounce is what they're looking at in sense of gold prices before the next year ends.
Those are some huge numbers. Manisha, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those details on the gold price move as well as some of these projections up to $2,200 an ounce. That is the estimate that Citi is working with. But with that, it is time for a short break. When we